Starting from scratch, whether you're building a budget, setting up a project tracker, or listing goals, creating a fresh Google Sheets gets you organized in. Let's build it together. Firstly, go to your Google Sheet, open it. There you can see a plus icon at the bottom right corner. If you simply tap on it, there you can see new spreadsheet or template. If you tap on new spreadsheet, it will directly open a spreadsheet, but you can always have an option of choosing templates, like if you want to-do list, monthly budgeting, or schedules. Like this, we have many types of options and templates that you can use while creating a sheet. Suppose you're doing it for your budget, or you just want a to-do list, then simply tap on personal. Monthly budget as well is there available, but you can just simply do a to-do list. Here, how you can do it is just change the to-do list. Suppose need to edit another, you can simply add on. Like this, you can upgrade your sheet and create a new sheet for more clean and proper look.